Alright, so for this one, we're gonna do 4 of the XY generations, 2 Sun and Moon, 2 of this Burning Shadows. Man, I had so many of these that I literally still had not too long ago, but I ended up throwing them all out. And then afterwards, I was like, let me do them. So I could have literally probably had like another, no joke, at least a couple hundred to type in. But oh well, it is what it is. Ooh, Mega Venusaur. You're getting some nice pulls, guys. Some nice pulls. This is just hilarious to me. Now I know these cards aren't worth too. Ooh, I actually have this card in one of those binders. I also got this one. Catch me on eBay. Got all these cards, man. I got so many, as you guys can see. Boxes. Trying to get organized. Some receipts from recent sales. Got it all. These ones are going out tomorrow. Alrighty. What do we got? Alright. Now we're gonna open two of the Sun and Moons. Opened some of these the other day, I just didn't post them or anything. I actually have that card, and it could be, I don't know, but I got things all over. I do have this card. I buy, sell, hit me up, email me. Alright, that's it for this video. And then we're gonna finish these on the next.